Okay, welcome back. This is Motec. I'm Noel Moses Mwadende. In this video, we are going to learn the relationship or comparison or difference between machine learning and artificial intelligence. As we saw in our in our second video, meaning of machine learning. So machine learning is about teaching a computer or a system to learn on itself. So the system is given data, example or data set. From those data, system can learn itself. Let's say we are teaching a system to predict pictures of apples. So in unsupervised machine learning, we can feed a logarithm or feed machine a lot of pictures of apples so that it can learn this is picture of apple and this is not picture of apple. Or another example, let's say we are teaching a system to predict spam email and email which are not spam. So we'll feed many email which are spam and we'll feed the system with emails which are spam. So we'll feed this spam email and email which are not spam. So the algorithm will learn and the system will understand to predict that this is a spam email, this is not spam. So that is side of part 1 about machine learning. Artificial intelligence is about or is the behavior whereby computer or system do work like human being, act like human being, think like human being. Everything is done by a system as human being. So how you work, how you think, how you take reaction when a certain situation happen, that is all about artificial intelligence. We give artificial ability to the system, which is similar ability to that of human being. So where relation come from between machine learning and artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence take place after a machine have learned to act like human being. So for machine learning, no, for artificial intelligence to take place, first machine learning should come. Then finally, artificial intelligence will come. That's why we can see that machine learning is a subpart of artificial intelligence with deep learning. So first, machine will learn, then after it will act like human being. Let's say machine may learn to predict the occurrence of rainfall. Let's say we are doing artificial intelligence. So after learning, it may start to reason if maybe there are clouds on the sky. So the system which is developed by using artificial intelligence, it may reason, oh, will rain fall down? Let's say it is not the period of rainfall. So and the clouds are covered over the sky. So the system will make reason like human being. Oh, now it won't rain even though there are clouds because this is not rain season. So the difference between machine learning is that. So between machine learning with artificial intelligence. In artificial intelligence, after a system have learned, it can start to reason, it can start to think and take reaction as a human being. So this is end of our video concerning the comparison relationship or difference between machine learning with artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. This is Motec. I'm Noel Moses Modende, FMD by Moses. Thank you.